Hello, this is Javier from Modern Refinishing. Here you have the pieces. They are all put together and they are finished. What you can see now is that there is more contrast between the leather of the doors and the wood. After shoe polishing, the leather is like more brown, and in general everything is more clean. Like here in this one you can see the 6 knobs, the handles. They are now completely shiny brass. And if you go inside, they are more easy to open now, because I oil all the guides. All the drawers are completely clean and white, and this is the same. Very easy to open. So everything is finished now. The good thing about this that I think I kept the same look as they were at the beginning. Maybe not the same, because at the beginning the wood, maybe it wasn't so like a bleach, because after 40-50 years the wood get oxidized, and with the sunlight you get that special like a bleachy mahogany. But that is the effect of the pass of the time. So it's nice that I have kept that. And if you see more on the top, I don't know if you're going to notice it, but it is all crackled. So I think that I got my goal of keep them like they were. I've seen this kind of furniture after refinish, and it's amazing the changes. They put any kind of colors, or I've seen them completely brown. I think it's nice to keep the spirit of the designer and to leave them as they were. Okay, now I'm going to put this furniture on my store at modernrefinishing.com. So you will see them there like in a couple of days. And I hope you enjoy the 4 videos. And you can keep watching the web or the Twitter, because I'll do more projects like this, maybe in 1 or a couple of weeks. Very good. Thank you very much, and goodbye from Modern Refinishing. Bye.